Hi everybody, hi again. And we are here today with a Nintendo Switch that was sent to us from Chicago, I believe. And this one specific, the customer is trying to do a screen replacement or LCD replacement, and they actually broke the little connector. So we are gonna go ahead and get that fixed for them and get back to playing with their Switch. So let's see if I can get this done. All right, come in my journey. Let's see, here we go. Boom. Scope cam. Here we go. Can you guys see? Is that nice? Oops, too far. Right there. Okay. So as always, first thing we want to do is add. So flexi flex. Let's do air blow. Good. What is it, boys? You know, area. Let's say. Let's see. There we go. Out it comes. There we go. Beautiful. Over the pads, nothing. That's the way we do it at Tortellas. TRS. There we go. Okay. To the test. And just some of them come out. So right there, a little bit move. Yeah. You can tell. Okay. What do you want to do in this case? There's a little bit right here. Actually, cut this a little bit. Okay, like that. Good. Clean this up real quick. Possible. Oh, it pads. That's all I can see. More gross stuff around here. Mix that one off. Make sure it's right here. Let's make sure that this gets nice and clean too. Oh, the flux gets in there. Try to do America's next hottest nice. That looks sorry about me. Don't too much flux. Okay, actually, I'll be clean enough. So when I get later, forgot to start recording again. So we are trying to, so far we added a little flux and we are just trying to line this up for let's see, right about there. Looks pretty good. We're down to 50. Let's see how this goes. See how this is looking. It looks okay. Okay, let's clean that up. And hopefully it was a one and done, right guys? Oh no, okay, you see how we're doing it, it that's never good. Okay, so we are gonna flux again, right about here. Let's see, can we get this Let's go here. We actually hold it. Okay, let's give that another minute or so to cool down. Okay, back to it before another customer comes in. Let's just make sure that that's looking pretty solid. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. And that looks like it's tacked on in there good. Oops, sorry. Okay, just clean it up a tad. Just flex around here. So let's just get this back in the assembly and see what